and today in this video, now I am going to tell you that how to set a picture as a slide of our own choice. That's very interesting. So now you can take any image from Google or from your personal storage device. So now to create an image as a slide, first we have to do right click on the slide and go on format background option. So now I will select picture or texture fill. So now here I will select the file option which is presented in front of me. Now I can choose the image of my own choice which is already been downloaded on my storage device. So let me take an image name bangles. Okay. And now you can see that an bangle image is in front of me which was stored in my computer. So it is created as a background. Now I can write anything over it. You can see I have an example that how I wrote. So now you can see that example. So you can see that I wrote this all. So this is how we create a image of our own choice as a slide. Now if you want this to apply to all slides, what you have to do is again do a right click, then select format background, then you can see here the option apply to all. Now you can click on it. So now you can add a new slide, and now you can see one more slide has been added with the same background. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you for watching. If any doubts and questions, please comment on my comment box below. Thank you.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.